Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Deepak. I am working as an assistant manager in IBS Information Office, Ludhiana branch. Today I am standing here to provide you an information regarding IBS, its campuses, placement track record, fee structure, eligibility criteria, and after that I will discuss about gateway to IBS, advantages of IBS and how to apply for IBS. So without wasting any time, let's start with our first topic, which is IBS. IBS stands for ICFI Business School. Since its inception in 1995 under the ICFI group, IBS has been one of the best B school in the country. ICFA stands for Institute of Chartered Financial Analyst of India. IBS Hyderabad is ranked 26th in the ranking released by Government of India's National Institutional Ranking Framework. IBS has 9 campuses. It is in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, Dehradun, Jaipur, Hyderabad and Gurgaon. So let's start with first campus, IBS Hyderabad. IBS Hyderabad is a constituent of ICFI Foundation for Higher Education, which is a deemed to be university under the section 3 of UGC Act 1956. The campus at Hyderabad is a 91-acre lush green campus with built-up area of over 10 lakh square feet. The fully residential campus is equipped with state-of-the-art facility. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. For taking admission in IBS Hyderabad, the minimum eligibility criteria is graduation in any discipline with minimum 50% marks, and even graduation final year students awaiting result are also eligible for taking admission in IBS Hyderabad. IBS Hyderabad offers two programs. One is 2-year full-time MBA program and second one is PhD program. For MBA, the annual fee structure would be 7.02 lakh and for PhD, it is 1.3 lakh per annum. If I talk about placement track record, then average placement offered by IBS Hyderabad this year is 8 lakh per annum and the highest placement package offered by IBS Hyderabad is 50.23 lakh per annum. After the Hyderabad, I will discuss about IBS Dehradun and Jaipur, because both the campuses offer full-time MBA degree program. IBS Dehradun is a constituent of the ICFI University Dehradun, recognized by UGC under the section 2F of UGC Act 1956. IBS Dehradun is housed at the ICFI University in a lush green campus spread over 25 acres of land with built-up area of 2.5 lakh square feet. IBS Jaipur is a constituent of the ICFI University Jaipur and it has been notified by the government of Rajasthan. The campus is spread over 40 acres of land. It has more than 2 lakh square feet built-up area. Eligibility criteria for IBS Dehradun and Jaipur is just like IBS Hyderabad. That means graduation in any discipline with minimum 50% marks and graduation final year students awaiting result are also eligible to apply for IBS Dehradun or IBS Jaipur campus. IBS Dehradun and Jaipur both campuses offer MBA program with the fee structure of 2.835 lakh per annum. If I talk about placements, then the average package offered by Dehradun and Jaipur is around 5 to 6 lakh per annum, and the highest package offered by this year Dehradun and Jaipur campus is 12.40 lakh per annum. After Dehradun and Jaipur, let's talk about rest 6 campuses, which is IBS Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata and Gurgaon. All these campuses are independent professional institutions, neither affiliated to nor off campus center of any of the university. Eligibility criteria for these 6 campuses just like in Hyderabad and Dehradun, Jaipur, graduation in any discipline with minimum 50% marks and graduation final year awaiting result students can also apply for rest 6 campuses. IBS offers PGPM program in these 6 campuses with the fee structure of 4.005 lakh per annum. If I talk about placement track record, IBS Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata and Gurgaon offer average package of around 6 to 7 lakh, and the highest package for these 6 campuses varies from campus to campus. So you can see that the highest package offered by Mumbai and Pune campus is 50.23 lakh per annum, which is just equivalent to IBS Hyderabad campus. So the question arises here, how one can get admission in IBS? So IBSET is the gateway to IBS. IBSET stands for IBS Aptitude Test, which is 2-hour computer based test conducted at 95 test center across India. And the best part of IBSET is there will be no negative marking. IBSET has 140 questions, multiple choice questions divided into 4 sections. One is verbal ability, second is quantitative ability, third one is data interpretation and data advocacy, and the last one is reading comprehension. So 140 question, 140 marks. Now second question comes in our mind, from when someone get registered and from which month student can apply for IBS. So let's talk about IBSET registration. IBSET registration starts from the month of July and it's end with the December month. Online exam will be conducted in the last week of December and student will get the result in first week of January. After the result, shortlisted candidates are invited with their parents for selection briefing round in the second week of January, at where we will guide students about GDPI round, like final selection process round, and even parents inquiries are taken at there. So after selection briefing round, students called for final round, which will be conducted at IBS Hyderabad, and it consists of GDPI round. Final result, that means a final admission result, will declare in the first week of March on the basis of their GDPI performance. Selection process result consists of past qualification marks and GDPI performance. For past qualification marks, 50% weightage is considered and rest 50% weightage is of GD and PI, 25-25 each. So if students already have appeared in other management entrance examination, then IBS accept other entrance exam scorecard as well. If I talk about CAT, then CAT cutoff for IBS is 60 percentile and above. For GMAT, 500 scores and above marks IBS accept, and met by GMAT cutoff 150 marks or above 150 marks, student will be eligible for second round. This is all about IBSET and registration regarding IBS and how one can get admission in IBS. So now here another question arises, why IBS, right? So the solution, and I can say the answer for this question I will discuss in my next topic with the heading of IBS advantages. Here are some advantages that will be the answer for your question. So let's start with first answer, case based methodology. The second one is summer internship program, then IBS alumni, then scholarship, iLead assistantship, intellectual capital, career management center, etc, etc. So all these are answers for your question, why IBS. Let's start with our first advantage, case based learning. 100% case based learning is unique to IBS. Most of the cases are taught through real life cases designed to help bridge the gap between management theories and practices. IBS has its own case development center, which is Asia Pacific's largest repository of management case studies, with the name of IBS Center Management Research. ICMR is a premier case development center beside IBS. These case studies are being used by a large number of B schools, universities like University of Oxford, University of Helsinki, University of Cambridge, University of Instate, even London B School, IMD, etc. etc. Apart from this, these case studies are being used by companies across the world like Boston Consulting Group, Coca-Cola, HP, P&G, KPMG, Johnson and Johnson, etc. ICFI Business School is the biggest winner in Case Method Oscar 2019. So this is one of the answer why IPS. Let's move on to our next advantage, which is summer internship program. Summer internship is approximately 14 weeks in duration. Summer internship with corporate is an ideal ground for the student to test their learning in first year. They are expected to work on a project. Summer internship is considered to be a part of its co-curriculum, and the student has to be in constant touch with the faculty member on campus and a mentor in their workplace who act as a guides and monitor their progress. After summer internship program, IBS alumni base is the next advantage. IBS has 50,000 plus alumni in India and abroad. IBS Alumni Federation offers award for excellence in summer internship program. These awards are given annually to the top 1% of summer internship undertaken at each of IBS campus. The award carries a trophy, certificate and cash prize of 10,000. Apart from this, IBS offer gold medal to the first rank holder for each campuses and offers a cash prize of 10,000, and silver medal will be awarded to the second rank holder of each campus. This award will carry a cash prize of rupees 5,000. After the IBS alumni, next advantage is scholarship. IBS offers various types of scholarships. One of them is merit scholarship, which depends upon the campuses and it varies from campus to campus. I will share you the details so you can refer that. After that, past academic record scholarship offered by only Dehradun and Jaipur campus. If students secured more than equal to 60% and less than 70% marks in their graduation, then IBS Dehradun and Jaipur offers 50,000 amount of scholarship, and if students carries greater than equal to 70% marks and less than 80%, then he will be awarded with 75,000, and if students will carry greater than equal to 80% marks, then scholarship amount will be of 1 lakh for each candidate. Even IBS Dehradun and Jaipur offers domicile scholarship. That means if students belong to a state of Uttarakhand and he is applying for Dehradun campus, then he will be get 50,000 as a scholarship. And even if students belongs to in state of Rajasthan and he is applying for Jaipur campus, then IBS offers scholarship amount of 50,000 rupees. After scholarships, IBS offers iLead assistantship. iLead stands for IBS Learn, Earn and Develop. IBS offers 3 types of assistantship to students who are in need of financial support. One is digital marketing ambassador for a period of 6 months. Rupees 6,000 per month will be offered as a stipend. Second one is library assistantship. For a period of 6 months, rupees 5,000 per month will be offered as a stipend. Third one is computer lab assistantship. For a period of 6 months and rupees 5,000 per month will be offered as a stipend. After scholarships, after iLead assistantship. Next advantage is intellectual capital. IBS has 300 plus faculties with over 150 PhD holders. Second, advanced infrastructure, fully Wi-Fi equipped campus and extensive library resources, over 1,35,000 books with 500 plus journals, national and international. So, intellectual capital would be the answer for your question, why IBS over the other B schools. After intellectual capital, next advantage, career management center. IBS has its own CMCs, which is Career Management Center. The main objective of CMC is to enhance placement prospects of IBS students. CMC personals visit potential employers in various companies. Over the year, they have developed strong relationship with more than 4,000 companies all over India. Last year, more than 500 companies have recruited students from IBS. The CMC focuses on personality development, career counseling, training in soft skills, internships, mock interviews, industry interface. Even CMCs arrange special lectures, or I can say guest lectures, and provide group discussion sessions also. So this is all about advantage. The biggest advantage of IBS is placements. From last 25 years, IBS has a good placement track record. One thing I want to add in my presentation, like IBS Hyderabad and Jaipur campus offers hostel facility, and rest campuses IBS don't have any hostel facility. So students needs to arrange at their own, and uh, like uh, campus will share the details of nearest PJs or nearest hostel details, but outside the campus. So I guess you got your answer for the question why IBS, right? So let's move on to our last topic, last but not the least, which is how to apply, how one can apply for IBS, how one can register for IBSAT. So for that we have two options. One is online mode, second is offline mode. For online mode, student need to visit our official website, which is www.ibsindia.org/admissions. After completing online payment of rupees 1800, student will receive the IBS kit. And the second option is offline mode. To buy IBSAT scratch card application voucher, students need to visit our IBS information office, which is listed in our official website. For that, you need to visit www.ibsindia.org/contact-us. So you will get the nearest branch location for applying to IBS. So this is all about IBS and IBSAT. I hope you will get all the details regarding IBS and its campuses. But still, if you have any doubt in your mind and if you have any queries, then you can contact me on my official mail ID, or you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, or you can directly call me also. So this is from my side, and thank you very much for listening patiently.